Every great drummer should be able to do one stick trick. I say one because I can only do one, and therefore that is where the bar is. I'm glad you agree. But I tell a lie, I can do another one. Impressed? Good. So hopefully you're getting at this point. You shouldn't feel too bad about not being able to do stick tricks if you can't. But if you'd like to, here's the only one I use and know how to do. The only two fingers involved here are the middle finger and the index finger. And it kind of is held around where you'd normally hold the stick, the fulcrum, the balancing point. You're going to move your index finger over the top and you're going to kind of pinch it between the kind of middle section of your index finger and the middle section of your middle finger. Now what I do is hold the middle finger rigid and allow this index finger to do the work. So as long as this finger's straight and this finger allows the stick to move, you're kind of in the right territory. What you're doing is you're allowing the stick to spin, and the weight of the stick will kind of maintain the momentum you want. So you don't have to be like really rigidly doing it. It'd probably hurt if you do. Will sticks go flying as you practice this? Yes. The answer is quite simply yes. But it's still worth doing. It's kind of a relationship thing between your wrist and your index finger. The wrist is actually allowing the stick to move, and then you're just keeping it all held together between these two fingers. Looks cool, doesn't it? Have fun. Give it a go. Does that count? I'm going to say no.